Alright. We're actually coming up to the turnoff.
This is Apex Caliente. Caliente in Spanish for all you do is hot. So it's hot.
Apex. Alright.
Or in Spanish, Exe Caliente.
Okay. Great Basin National Park, eh? Alright.
Take exit 64 on the right to US 93 North, then take the first right.
Perfect. Hey.
Second time's a charm.
Second time's a charm. Hey, it's actually working. Look, the vehicle's moving. It's turning,
Always a good sign.
turning to the right.
Turn right at the stop sign.
Man, she has a sexy voice. She really does. Wow.
Like a female bender or something like that.
Well, maybe. I don't know. But I don't know why why it has to be a female bender.
Well, Bender was a robot. I don't know.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So, I go this way, yes?
Yeah.
Continue on Great Basin Highway.
Holy
Actually,
cow!
I agreed with Father Mark. I'm so excited.
So there we go. There is the road. Okay, so we are driving down, and I'm gonna get while we're on the road here, I'm going to get good old Father Mark to read us a little bit about Area 51 for those of you that don't know much about it, because apparently there's quite a few there. Because when I said Area 51 to some people, they're like, "What?"
They knew Area 52 and Area 50, but not Area 51.
I was married at Area 52 once. Yeah.
Once?
Yeah. To Elizabeth Taylor.
Oh. When she's younger or older?
Elizabeth Taylor?
Yeah.
She's older.
Oh, I know she's older now than she was years ago.
Well, she was younger years ago. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. The United States Air Force facility, commonly known as Area 51, is a remote detachment of the Edwards Air Force Base, which is the Nevada Test and Training Range, according to the Central Intelligence Agency, CIA. The correct names for the facility are Homey Airport and ICAO, KXTA, and Groom Lake. Though the name Area 51 was used in a CIA document from the Vietnam War, other names used for the facility include Dreamland and nicknames Paradise Ranch, Home Base, and Watertown. The special use airspace around this field is referred to as Restricted Area 4808 North, or R4808N. The base's current primary purpose is publicly unknown. However, based on historical evidence, it most likely supports development and testing of experimental aircraft and weapons systems. The intense secrecy surrounding the base has made it the frequent subject of conspiracy theories and a central component to the unidentified flying object, commonly known as UFOs folklore. Although the base has never been declared a secret base, and why the hell would it ever be declared a secret base? Doesn't that defeat the purpose of being a secret base?
And, you know, it's in the middle of the damn desert, so it's not particularly
secluded. I mean, that's kind of obvious.
You can see it from a mountaintop. So
would it be declared a Victoria secret base? I mean, that may be a designation they want. Yes.
Can we go there now?
We will see. We will see. There we go.
Okay.
Back to the thing. Although the base has never been declared a secret base, all research occurring in Area 51 are top secret/sensitive compartmented information. In July 2013, following an FOIA request filed in 2005, and for you who don't know, that's a Freedom of Information something request.
Yeah.
FOIA.
Yeah.
What's the A for?
Freedom of Information
Access, probably.
Yeah.
The CIA publicly acknowledged the existence of the base for the first time, declassifying documents detailing the history and purpose of Area 51. Area 51 is located in the southern portion of Nevada in the western United States, 83 miles, 134 kilometers northwest of Las Vegas, situated at its center on the southern shore of Groom Lake is a large military airfield. The site was acquired by United States Air Force in 1955, primarily for the testing of the Lockheed U-2 aircraft. The area around Area 51, including the small town of Rachel,
Which hopefully we'll get to.
Yes.
See the alien.
He's getting all excited here. He's been frothing in the mouth about Area 51 for a while. On the aptly named Extraterrestrial Highway is a popular tourist destination.
Yeah.
The end.
Thank you. And by the way, that was from Wikipedia for all of you that need sources of information here. So, okay, so we're gonna shut down this piece, and we'll come back at you once we hit the extraterrestrial highway. We're coming up. We can actually get our first glimpses.
Turn left onto Highway 380.
We're actually getting our first glimpses of the land that make up the Nellis Air Force Base test range, Area 51, just off to our left. And we're going to go down the extraterrestrial highway here pretty quick. God, I love this country. It's pretty. There it is. That's part of the test range right there. Making up the Area 51.
Highway 375.
That's 375.
Police officer. The Po-Po is there. When I'm there, when they know we're coming. It's roving cows out here, apparently.
That's pretty much one right there.
Yeah. So we went 375.
Be in the left lane.
This is the highway straight ahead, I think.
Okay. Alright, and there's the sign to Rachel, Nevada. Where the famous A-Lee Inn is. Alright, here we go. We are now on the extraterrestrial highway.
Continue on Highway 375.
There it is, there's a sign. Oh, do you want to take a picture of the sign?
I'd say you want to take a picture.
I totally want to take a picture of the sign. There, I'll have to go up and turn around. Okay, we'll be back at you. Just stopping on the side of the road here. I can actually see the test spot for the base. Take some pictures up here. That's the road that we're going to be going up eventually with all the signs. You can see that in the distance. Area 51. That goes up to the base, that road. Onward. All right, so we are now going on to the Groom Lake Road. So we have to watch for the sign.
That's part what that.
So we're a fair ways out from the actual sign.
Continue on Groom Lake Road.
See, even bitching Betty telling us we're on Groom Lake Road. All right. Oofy. Are those UFOs? No, they're birds. Okay. I'm surprised there's no beware of alien crossing signs here.
The military just like really.
Did you know they never acknowledged the secret base? Okay, we'll tune back in shortly. So we're looking at about being 3.5 kilometers out. There's great cactus next to the road. It's really pretty. It's like a forest. here before, a Nevada state judge. It's kind of not part of the trip.
I wonder if you would let you wear your camera.
What's that?
I wonder if you would let you wear your camera.
Oh yeah, there's somebody up ahead of us. Looks like we're not the only ones doing this. It's tourist season at Area 51. Road back home. Some ranches out this way too, but really close to the perimeter of the base. But some crowd there. The camo dudes, they're sitting up on the ridge up there. There they are. That's the Men in Black, although it's not actually the Men in Black. It's the Men in Black are actually either contracted security or just military security, one of the two.
Oh, it's twice going slow. It's 25 kilometers an hour.
Okay, so we're coming up on the coordinates. GPS bitching Betty tells us we're almost at the fence line.
To be quite correct, she's never bitched.
She bitched a little bit when
200 meters. Arrive at coordinates on the left.
Very polite English.
Very polite. She got to watch because the coordinates are set are actually just past the perimeter, so just have to watch for the sign. There's some monitoring up there. They've got a cam up top. There's the sign. There it is, ladies and gentlemen.
All this driving was getting lost somewhat.
A little.
All for a sign.
And we are
it's
now.
Probably just a simple sign. Don't go any further.
We will shoot you, etc., etc.
Yeah, it's fine. No. That's where the guys just show up if we did what's going on.
Arriving at coordinates on the left.
Hey, look, they made a roadside turnout even.
Very nice.
Continue on Woodland Lake Road.
You should back up in that way. You can.
Yeah.
This prohibits you know to do photography.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You guys are laughing.
Can you get out?
Sure. Stretching away. Watch over his name.
Monitoring station up there. You guys run into any aliens along the way?
I need to sign down the button.
Well, yeah.
I guess this is the end of the line.
This is it. Oh, they got barbed wire out there too. Okay.
You guys are wild.
We probably just want to make sure people know where the perimeter is. There should be signs denying it or anything beyond.
But you know, you could probably Photoshop that in there.
What's that? Just Photoshop an alien coming in, walking around.
You know, an alien just go. We'll get the guy from American Dad. Just leaning against the sign. That'd be perfect. His big plum wig. No aliens here.
Yeah.
Move along. Let's see here. I do like it when they've actually got paved roads on the side.
What's that?
Paved roads where you're actually not allowed to.
Yeah. That's where the. Hey, Aaron. Hi, from Canada. Yeah. Hi.
Which part of the UK are you from? Manchester.
Oh, okay. All right. So this is the line for now. So was hoping to show everybody
Highlighted route.
the famous black mailbox, but apparently in January of 2015, so a couple months before this is being shot, somebody stole it. As assholes. And apparently this is where it was at. That's too bad. That would have been really cool to see. Actually, to be quite frank, I'm surprised somebody didn't steal it before. Alright, so we're going into the tourist trap of tourist traps here. Rachel, Nevada. And I think we're going to grab something to eat at the Ailey Inn. That was sort of the consensus, wasn't it? Yeah. Look, an Area 51 truck. Everything's an Area 51 truck. This is Area 51 truck. There it is. Welcome to Rachel, Nevada. Human, yes. Alien. Love it. Well, they kind of did, but like you were saying before, Mark, with Vulcan in Alberta, they kind of made. Oh, look at you! Look at that. All the stickers on that one. More on that one. More on that one. All right. So we're gonna find the Alien.
I don't know how we're gonna do it. It's a pretty busy town.
No police officers to ask. They're all over there. If you want catching old women that are trying to hop the fence. There it is. Bum, bum, bum. Famed on the X-Files. I do believe this was on the X-Files, this place.
There is a proper
Sorry.
It's the little alien.
Yeah.
Earthlies are welcome. That is so awesome.
Yeah, they are. Well, we'll do pictures later.
Yeah, let's get some meat.
Alright, signing off for now. We're going to grab an Alien burger. So that's it for the first episode. Hopefully it was somewhat entertaining. Anyway, it's going to be some fodder for discussion regardless of future episodes. So again, thanks for tuning in. And until next time, don't forget, question, inquire, and challenge.